Hi everyone. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. I just wanted to take a small video and talking about how we are going back to our ancient roots. That's the olden times. See, frankly speaking, it's very tough to get the corona cases to zero until we get a vaccine for it. So I think in the coming future, we need to live with it for at least for some time. So, frankly speaking, yes, how to overcome corona? There are so many ways. One is, yeah, sitting at home, but how long? Second is, maintaining social distance. Third is to increase your immunity levels. See, now I'm just going to talk something about our great grandfathers, what they used to do. Like, you know, firstly, as soon as they enter the house, they remove their slippers, then wash their hands and wash their legs, and then go into the house. And then, you know, in ancient times, how they used to greet others. One is, like just telling namaste. Now everybody greets like, shake hand, hugging each other. But during our ancient times, it was just namaste. Whether it was, no gender, any gender, like man to a lady, lady to a man, anybody, elders, youngsters, they just used to still tell namaste. Then now let's talk about how to overcome the corona through immunity levels. Yes, as soon as you get up early in the morning, during our ancient times, my great grandfathers and all, what they used to do is they used to have hot water, you know, hot water with little bit tulsi, or turmeric and lime. Then maybe you can go for a morning walk or exercise a little bit, and come back and have juice, a fresh juice. It can be fruit, or nowadays it's better to have to increase the immunity levels. People during the ancient times used to have this beetle leaves juice, that is a pan leaves juice, or drumstick leaves juice, or the neem leaves. So have the juice maybe at around 8 o'clock in the morning. And like our ancient times, our grandfathers and all, they used to have the first meal, that is the lunch at 10:30. So have early lunch. Then maybe around at 1:30 or 2, have a glass of buttermilk with little bit vegetables, like like a salad, or you can have even a fruit salad. Then at around maybe around 4:35, have a cup of green tea or cup of coffee with oats biscuit. And during our ancient times, they say early dinner, early bed. So have your dinner by around at 7:30. Have two rotis, or maybe you can have a little bit rice also. There's no harm in having rice. Just before going to sleep, you can have a glass of milk and a nice banana. And I'm sure in this coming future, you might get more, viruses like corona. So you can just fight it out only by increasing your immunity levels. So I close here by saying stay fit and increase your immunity levels, and go back to your Indian ancient culture roots. I'm sure you will find we can fight any viruses in the coming future. And you can, it's a very good example, but by seeing that our great grandfathers, the span of life they had and the span of the coming generation is going to have, is itself saying that go back to the ancient roots. You will surely find, I'm sure a lot of people will be very healthy and they will live long. So stay fit and stay healthy. Thank you.